Here we have a 2012 Volkswagen Transporter. Now this vehicle has had a camper conversion. We do also have the two-tone bodywork, so the white is paint, the grey is a wrap, along with the yellow accents. You'll also find the daytime running headlights. We have the splitter kit as well. As you can see, we have the yellow front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the 20-inch alloy wheels. We also have the sidebars along the bottom. We then have the privacy glass on the windows at the back. We also have the yellow mirrors, got the wind deflectors on the front windows, roof rails up top, sliding doors as well on both sides. Taking a look inside of here, you'll find we have the sofa bench just here. Really nice interior conversion done inside of here. We've got the curtains as well on both sides for the windows. Wooden flooring as well down here. Lots of storage compartments. We also have hooks as well. Closing this door and then making our way around to the back, you'll find the rear spoiler. We do also have the Joker, as you can see just here. Transporter badging in the black and also the blacked out Volkswagen badge just here. Taking a look inside of the back, just open up these back doors, you'll find we have storage nets on the back of the doors. We have the fire extinguisher as well, a little bowl just there. We've got the gas powered stove. We also have the microwave just here. We've got a fridge as well down here. Underneath here you'll also find the portable toilet. I'll just close them doors back up. You've got a bottle opener as well on that door there. Make sure these doors are closed properly, and making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks or dents. Now taking a look at the interior, so we'll have a look at the front now. Inside of here you'll find we have 3 seats. We've got the armrests as well either side of the driver's seat. We also have the steering wheel just here with heated mirrors, electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic lights. Taking the seat inside, you'll find we have the dashboard in front of us with a digital screen in the centre. If we put a foot on the clutch and then make sure we can turn the vehicle on, you'll find we have the camera focus, the speed limiter, cruise control on that stalk there. Got the manual gearbox. We also have the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. You can see the DAB radio just there. If you press onto these buttons just here, you find all the different options as well. Click onto the camera button and you'll also find we have the front camera and also the rear camera just there as well. We have some USB ports just underneath there. Climate control down here, the ice cold air conditioning. That's all I'm showing you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.